So as I had mentioned before, the BB-8 in the film, he's not brand new. He's not he's not a perfectly clean droid. He's been rolling around out on that planet. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my brown and I'm going to go over kind of each of those little places where we have lines very lightly. Any sort of place that joins together, between his head and his body. And it's really going to add this whole other level of kind of realism to him. Alright, now we'll add his dirt and then he's done. Now, because the dirt is optional and we're just adding it because I want to cover up those screws, what I'm using, and you'll see a little bit, that's the overspray from the airbrush, isn't that funny? This is piping gel, which I happen to think is kind of one of the grossest things in the cake decorating world, but it has so many practical applications. And the reason I'm putting it down first is if I just put my graham crackers down by themselves, then they can slide around. We go outside, there's any sort of a breeze, they're going to end up all over the place. You put the piping gel down first, and then they stick and they don't go anywhere. And I'm not trying to be like exact, I'm just getting a nice thin layer on there. There we go. And then I'll add my graham crackers to that. Alright, so now all I'm doing is just adding little handfuls of the graham crackers, the kind of the sandy dirt that's on that planet that they're on when they're first, when you really first meet BB-8. And I'm just adding my graham crackers, and then once they're on there, then I'm going to kind of move them around. But you don't want to press too hard because you don't want to disrupt your piping gel. But if you just kind of use that turntable to your advantage, there you go. So here we have our finished BB-8. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed showing him to you. He's so much fun. I can't wait to show him to my son. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for choosing Mini Arts.